Very simple but very important. We will crochet a flat circle. So let us begin. Here I am using a crochet hook number 12 and the yarn which is suitable for number 12 hook, and I have started making 8 number of chains, one after the other. Once that is done, we'll slip stitch into the first chain space and form a circle. Once that is done, we will make 3 number of chains. After that, we'll start making 23 number of double crochet in the circle. 23 double crochet will be making plus the first chain that we made, that will total up to 24 number of double crochet. So here I am already halfway. Now you also need to do it. Please be careful and count the number of stitches that you are making. Now once we have made 24 number of stitches, we will slip stitch into the first chain, and our first row is complete. Now we will start off with our second row, for which we are making 3 number of chains, which will be counted as 1 double crochet. Now in the same chain space, another double crochet is made. After that, we make another double crochet in the next chain space. Now again, in the next chain space, 2 double crochet will be made, which will be followed by 1 double crochet in the next chain space. That means 2 double crochet in one chain space, then 1 double crochet in one chain space, then again 2 double crochet in one chain space, then again 1, and the same pattern is to be repeated all around the circle. I should have shown this process of making a flat circle in the earlier videos, but somehow I missed it, but better late than never, so I thought I should make one video regarding this topic. Now once on reaching the end of the circle, we slip stitch again. Now going to the third row, again a chain of 3 is made, which will be counted as 1 double crochet. Once the chain of 3 is made, we move on to the next chain space and make 2 double crochet in the same chain space. Then we move on to the next 2 chain spaces and make 1 double crochet each. Then again 2 double crochet in the same chain space, and the sequence is to be repeated all around the circle. we have reached almost the end. Now with the slip stitch, the two ends are joined, and again we make a chain of 3 which will be counted as 1 double crochet. Then we'll jump into the next chain space and make 2 double crochet in the same chain space. After that we make 3 number of double crochet in the next 3 chain spaces, individual chain spaces. So I'd like to repeat here again, that is, we make 2 double crochet in one chain space, which is followed by 3 double crochet in the next 3 chain spaces, individual chain spaces. Following the sequence, we'll work all around the circle till we reach the starting point. Now we again join the two ends with the help of a slip stitch and then make 3 number of chains which will be counted as 1 double crochet. Then we hop into the next chain space and make 2 double crochet in the same chain space. After that we'll be making 1 double crochet each in each of the 4 chain spaces, which will again be followed by 2 double crochet in the same chain space. That means the sequence is 2 double crochet in one chain space, which is followed by 4 double crochet in each individual chain spaces. Then again 2 double crochet in the same chain space. It is to be repeated till we reach the starting point of the circle. If you want to increase the size of your circle, you just need to keep increasing the number of double crochet in between the increases in the proper sequence. Well friends, I hope you found the video useful. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Do hit the like button if you have liked the video, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for more and more of interesting videos in future. So till then, keep smiling. Bye.